windy. Just about 5 minutes into my walk. Can't keep my hat on. I just thought I would kind of show you. You can see those palm trees back there blowing around pretty good. And then I think these are quaking aspen or something like that. And there's a big fir tree up there that's blowing around pretty good. Right now there's a slight lull, but you can see right there my neighbor's flag is standing out pretty straight. Here comes another gust. Look at that big old tree flopping around up in there. And that flag, I don't know, maybe that flag ought to come down. I'll just leave the video running for just a minute while I round the bend here and let you kind of see what's going on. I was walking with the wind. Now I'm making the corner here and crossing, walking crossways into it. It's coming from my left. Here's a first little branch down here. Hopefully we won't have too much more damage. But I think, it's supposed to get stronger here in the next couple of hours. The rain is supposed to hit sometime around 4:30. It's noon now, so. And as I round the bend here, I'll be facing to the west. And you can see out this way, severe clear skies. Back this way, this is the leading edge of that front that's rolling in. You can see, it's when I look at the radar, it's a pretty solid line, so it looks pretty powerful. On the radar, it's about an even mixture of green and yellow. I didn't see any red, but I think it's going to be pretty powerful. I will see about getting some more video when the rain starts. You can see up there, those big trees are blowing around. Yeah, I know my video's a little jerky when I'm walking. Sorry about that. But anyway, looks like we're in kind of a little bit of a lull right now. See that big tree up there is, both of those two trees are moving quite a bit up there, a little higher in the air. I think I'm probably in, being protected by the houses on, there's houses on both sides. I'm gonna keep the video going here another minute or two until I turn the corner straight south, and the wind, for some reason, is coming out of the south, although the front is coming in from the west. I guess that makes some kind of sense. Oh, my head almost went. See these palm trees dancing around a little bit. Let me just go forward here, and I'll be turning left on a street called La Cañada. It runs pretty much north-south, and man, when these kind of winds come, it's just like a wind tunnel going up that street. Makes it tough to walk and to keep a hat on. I walked earlier this morning, didn't really see any animals out. I don't know if I'll see any this afternoon here, but I think they kind of know when things are changing, and I think they go burrow in and, find a protected place to ride out the storm. This will be the first official winter storm since it just changed from fall to winter a couple of days ago. This is Christmas Eve day. It's about 63 or 4 degrees out, and generally sunny until that front right there was rolling in. it's gonna cool off. Anyway, I'm gonna turn left here, and you can see all the palms and trees dancing. Whoa! Whoa. I told you it was like a wind tunnel in here. Their hands holding my hat on my head.